Reset aging skin from the inside out with SWiCH, Circadia's no-damage, no-downtime alternative to chemical peels. As skin ages, its natural energy reserves deplete, and it becomes harder for cells to power vital repair processes. Environmental stressors, UV exposure, pollution, inflammation, compound the problem, leading to fine lines, sagging, uneven tone, and a lackluster complexion. Traditional peels force skin into repair mode by causing damage. But what if you could rejuvenate skin by fueling it instead? SWiCH is the no-damage, no-downtime facial that reignites skin's own energy system, delivering firmer, brighter, more resilient skin from the very first treatment. SWiCH works at a different level than chemical peels by stimulating the mitochondria to boost cellular energy, activating the skin's natural ability to repair and regenerate. This powerful energy surge improves cell-to-cell communication, accelerates collagen production, and brightens pigmentation for a smoother, more radiant complexion. Key ingredients like pyruvic acid, succinic acid, and the fraction 5 lotion fuel and support mitochondrial function, helping the skin renew itself more efficiently. Best of all, clients get dramatic anti-aging results with minimal downtime. The outcome? Instant vitality, refined texture, and a radiant, even tone, without redness, peeling, or recovery. For those who want a skin reset without the risk of invasive procedures, SWiCH is the ultimate solution. This innovative treatment works in harmony with the skin's natural repair processes, offering a refreshing alternative to lasers, surgery, and deep peels. Elevate your menu, attract new clientele, and become the go-to expert for non-invasive skin rejuvenation. Add SWiCH today and watch your client's skin and your business transform. Two non-negotiables for SWiCH to work at the cellular level are clean skin and an intact barrier. Our Vitamin Veil cleanser is oil-based, making it ideal for dissolving sebum, makeup, sunscreen, and pollution, lipid-based debris that water-based cleansers can't remove. This crucial first step clears surface blockage without stripping the skin's protective lipid barrier. One key ingredient, vitamin E, acts as a powerful antioxidant, helping to neutralize free radicals while supporting the skin's barrier function, making this step both cleansing and conditioning. That matters because SWiCH relies on cellular energy activation, not inflammation, so the barrier must remain healthy and intact. Vitamin Veil aligns with the SWiCH philosophy, rejuvenation without injury. It preps the skin for the hydrating cleanser, which removes water-soluble debris and hydrates, creating the perfect canvas for actives to penetrate and perform. After cleansing with Vitamin Veil, the skin is purified of oil-based debris, balanced, and left with its protective lipid barrier intact, perfectly prepped for deeper treatment absorption. This step isn't just cleansing, it's optimizing your entire treatment. Our Circadia cleansers do more than clean. They brighten, detox, hydrate, and in this case, exfoliate. To get the highest performance out of a SWiCH treatment, a more manual exfoliation is needed to prep the skin. When there's a buildup of dead skin on a surface, active ingredients don't stand a chance. Instead of sinking in and getting to work, they're stuck battling through layers of debris, wasting potency, slowing results, and compromising the treatment's full potential. Our hydrating cleanser contains an environmentally friendly and plastic-free key ingredient that fully preps the skin for a SWiCH treatment. Refined and compressed wood particles are combined with a creamy formula to manually remove stratum corneum cells. The result? A freshly exfoliated surface that allows deeper, more effective penetration of the active solutions that are about to follow. Here's why skin needs proper prep for cellular level treatments. We can't flip the switch on for skin rejuvenation if the circuit is blocked. Our EpiPrep solution does just that. It conditions the skin barrier, improves penetration, and helps ensure the actives in the next treatment phase reach their intended cellular targets. EpiPrep contains urea, a natural component of the skin's NMF, its natural moisturizing factor. This group of water-loving molecules helps to keep the outermost layer of skin hydrated and supple. First, EpiPrep softens the outermost layer of the skin. Think of it as unzipping the skin's outer layer, so nutrients and active molecules can move through more easily. It then boosts hydration by pulling moisture into the skin. Well-hydrated skin is less reactive and recovers faster after active or biostimulatory treatments like SWiCH. EpiPrep also improves active ingredient absorption. This is why it's so valuable. It prepares the terrain so the SWiCH can penetrate to the deeper layers of the skin without having to work its way through dry and dead skin cells. By effectively using EpiPrep, the results are better absorption, better performance, and better skin without irritation. A common myth is the deeper the peel, the better the result. Trauma isn't required when you repair from within. Unlike traditional chemical peels that rely on controlled injury to trigger healing, the SWiCH system uses skin's own energy system to activate deep, lasting rejuvenation without causing trauma, peeling, or downtime. At the core of this treatment is ATP, the molecule every skin cell needs to repair, renew, and produce collagen and elastin. As skin ages, ATP production naturally declines, which slows skin's ability to heal and regenerate. SWiCH gently stimulates the mitochondria, the cell's power source, to ramp up ATP production, fueling real change from within. Succinic and pyruvic acid are two powerhouse ingredients that supercharge the cell's energy factories to stimulate ATP production, the fuel for skin repair. Pyruvic acid boosts energy and defends against oxidative stress, while succinic acid accelerates collagen production and cell regeneration. Together, they activate deep restoration, promoting firmer, fresher, more resilient skin from within. This means smoother texture, improved elasticity, brighter tone, and a more youthful appearance without damaging the skin barrier. Because SWiCH works on a cellular level rather than a superficial one, it supports skin health long after the treatment is over. It's an ideal option for clients who want progressive results without aggressive exfoliation, inflammation, or recovery time. Aging skin gets an immediate boost and is instantly brighter. Here is how your post-treatment care locks in real, lasting change. After a SWiCH treatment energizes and activates the skin's repair system, these powerhouse ingredients step in to support, protect, and amplify the results. PEF Active is a microalgae extract that recharges skin by stimulating mitochondrial activity, helping cells produce more energy, ATP. The result is faster cell turnover, radiant glow, and a complexion that looks refreshed and energized. It also shields mitochondria from stress, allowing skin to recharge post-treatment. Revitalin PF is oxygen therapy for your skin. Revitalin boosts oxygen levels in the skin, which enhances cell metabolism and recovery. It provides essential building blocks to help skin bounce back stronger and smoother. EUK134 is a superhero molecule that mimics skin's own defense system, breaking down harmful free radicals before they cause damage. It reduces redness, defends against UV and environmental stress, and protects your DNA and mitochondria, keeping skin calm and resilient. It's an ideal option for clients who want progressive results without aggressive exfoliation, inflammation, or recovery time. Together, these ingredients form a protective boost of recovery, ensuring skin not only repairs but thrives after the SWiCH treatment. They support energy production, oxygen flow, and protection at the cellular level, so skin gets maximum benefits with minimal stress.